For a long time, I have complained about not being able to fit a full-size spare.
Not only does it not come with a full-size spare, but you can't even go buy one and put it in yourself because it won't even fit into the spare tire well. So I can't fix this issue myself. And yes, this video is of a +2 size tire, but a factory tire won't fit either.
I had a crazy idea, and someone offered me a way to do it. So let's experiment. This is the full-size spare out of my Gen 5 Subaru Outback. I have seen some guys fit a full-size spare by deflating the tire and then kind of pushing it and getting some space on the sides. Even if that were possible, which I had no luck doing on my factory size, this one's oversized. So even if that were possible, still wouldn't work. So even if I empty this down to 0 PSI, I don't think I can do anything with it. I don't think it's going to be small enough. But what if I bring it down to negative PSI? There are some Volkswagens that have inflatable tires where they actually have a full-size rim and then the sidewall is crunched down. I am aware that this isn't that tire and isn't designed for that. I'm aware that I can find nobody actually doing this, and I'm saying that to say I'm just doing this for fun as an experiment. I don't know if I'm actually going to keep a deflated, negative-flated, I should say, tire in my car. But first things first, let's see how hard it is to pop that bead off. All right. I've only done this once before. Safety not guaranteed, right? Oh, that's scary. Oh. It didn't debeat it. I thought it, now it just sort of sunk in. Oh my God. All right. You know what? Oh man, I'm gonna have some tire guys mad at me. I'm surprised it hasn't debeaded. Either the wheels or the tires or both have a really good bead lock. Question how you're going to really run that off the bead. So the sidewall here says it's designed to hold 40 PSI. Do you think it's designed to hold negative 40 PSI? Okay, so this is test vacuum number 2. I'm going to put a timer on the screen and see how quickly this takes. By the way, I am wearing safety goggles. Okay, and this is why we're doing all this. Actually, I think I'm going to take that out. What I'm wanting to do is put a round object in a square hole. As you can see, there's just no way. Or is there? I'm aware that if I flip this over, I'll be able to access the, I'll be able to use the inside of the wheel as storage, which is my plan. But I just want to see if this will work. So let's do it. I guess now that I'm thinking about it, if I actually do this in the field, when I take the spare tire, when I take the original tire that's blown and replace it, I won't have a place for it. So hopefully I'll be in a place where I can just throw it in the back or something. It's working. Oh, it's so close. Wonder how much it takes to debead this thing. Oh, it's like right there. You know, I want to remove these actually, now that I'm seeing them. I think that's it. It's in there. Now, the real question is, what happens if I take that off of there? Do you think that's a factory Subaru bolt? I don't think so. I think that's something from work. It's in there. That is a 245/65/17 in the factory location of a 2017 Subaru Outback. And I'm sure I can even close the lid. Yeah, it's not that bad. Let's see what happens if we put the valve stem in. You know, This isn't any crazier than the guys that, well, they'll disagree with me. This isn't any crazier than the guys that deflate their tire. I just deflated it a little more. This works. I don't know what to think of this. I don't know what to do with this information. I don't even know if I should post this. Well, I mean, it's been a couple hours. I don't think it's debeaded, at least on this side. Yeah. Well, I'm definitely going to have to flip it and get an extension so that I can vacuum it down. But I mean, that is a 245 65 17 tire in the back of a Gen 5 Subaru Outback. I think this warrants some more research. Thank you, Vevor or Vevor, for sending me that vacuum pump, and hopefully you get some ideas here. I will report back any findings I find about this, anything that I can. I'm going to flip it and get an extension and keep an air pump in here, so if I do need it, I can just air it up. But yeah, that actually worked. I'm kind of surprised myself, especially if I could flatten all this out. It's like 99% there. This stuff here, yeah, it's down. It's just this thing isn't wanting to be. So yeah, that's 99% down. A little bit of pressure on it and it'll be fine. And no pressure on it, no big deal. I'm gonna have to replace this because I broke it. Yeah. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.